Hey, smart buyers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you spend your hard-earned money wisely. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums with a showdown between two cleaning titans, the iRobot Roomba J7 and the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum. Or, as we like to call them, Roomba J7 and Shark Ultra. Let's get ready to rumble. First up, let's talk about the price. Both these bad boys will set you back $599. That's right, folks, the same price. You could either buy a robot vacuum or, 600 cheeseburgers. Your choice. Now, suction power. The Roomba J7 is like that friend who's really good at avoiding drama. It navigates around your furniture and edges like a pro. But the Shark Ultra, this thing is like a dirt-sucking black hole. With its incredible suction, it picks up dirt, debris, and probably your hopes and dreams too. Reviewers have praised the Shark Ultra for its powerful suction, while the Roomba J7 gets kudos for its smart navigation. Alright, navigation and mapping. The Roomba J7 brings you Imprint Smart Mapping, which means you can control and schedule which rooms to clean and when. Plus, you can create keep-out zones. So if you don't want it to see your secret snack stash under the bed, it won't. On the other hand, the Shark Ultra uses 360 degrees LiDAR vision. This thing maps your house so accurately, it could probably draw blueprints of your home better than an architect. It even adapts to changes, like that pile of laundry you swear you're going to fold, eventually. Reviewers love the Roomba J7 for its precise control and obstacle avoidance, while the Shark Ultra gets high marks for its detailed mapping. Now, let's talk about emptying the trash. The Roomba J7 doesn't empty itself. It's like that roommate who always leaves their dishes in the sink. But the Shark Ultra, this thing has a bagless, self-emptying base that holds up to 60 days of dirt. It's like the vacuum equivalent of a hoarder, but in a good way. Reviewers appreciate the Shark Ultra's self-emptying feature, while Roomba J7 users find manual emptying manageable and not a significant issue. Pet owners, listen up. The Roomba J7 is great, but the Shark Ultra is perfect for homes with pets. It has a self-cleaning brush roll that digs deep into carpets and picks up more hair than a lint roller at a cat cafe. So if you've got a furry friend, Shark Ultra might just be your new best friend. Reviewers have noted that the Shark Ultra excels in homes with pets, while the Roomba J7 requires frequent emptying when dealing with pet hair. Finally, voice control. Both vacuums can be controlled with your voice using Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. So you can sit back, relax, and shout, "Hey vacuum! Clean my mess." It's like having a personal butler without the British accent. Reviewers have found both models to be responsive to voice commands, though the Shark Ultra lacks advanced room-specific commands. Based on online reviews, the Roomba J7 is celebrated for its advanced mapping, obstacle avoidance, and smart navigation. However, some users have faced issues with its software and technical support. On the other hand, the Shark Ultra is praised for its powerful suction, self-emptying feature, and effectiveness in homes with pets, though it has been noted to struggle with carpets and lacks some advanced app features. So which one should you buy? If you want a vacuum that cleans smart, avoids obstacles, and lets you control everything with an app, go for the Roomba J7. But if you want a vacuum with powerful suction, a self-cleaning brush roll, and a self-emptying base, the Shark Ultra is your guy. Either way, you're getting a top-notch robot vacuum. So make your choice and let the cleaning begin. Thanks for watching, smart buyers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep buying smart.